Alright, here's a video of my controller modification. That is the funky spring that I got on there in action. So if you recall from my last video, whenever I would shoot, it would just unload until it was gone. If I reload, individual key presses, or excuse me, trigger presses, will go individual till it goes. Oh, am I out of ammo? Oh, I'm out of ammo. Always something on another firearm. All right. So this is with that trigger modification that I did on a non-warranty Stadia controller. Seems to be working out pretty good so far. Again, if I have any problems with it, I can just grab another spring out of another pen, stick it on there. I'll be good to go. Again, it's a little squeaky, but hey, you know what? It works. That's all that matters, right?